God bless everyone. I am Nor Hanifa Akampong and I'm with Charis Sostoba and we are the reporter for PCK2. And our topic is the major categories and formats of a traditional test. So traditional test is categorized into two, the selected response test and constructed response test. So in selected response test, it requires the learners to choose their answer from the several choices. While the constructed response test, it requires the learners to construct their answers. So there are types of selected response tests, the multiple choice, true or false, and matching type test. So we are very familiar with the multiple choice test because it is the most commonly used format. And in multiple choice, it typically consists of a problem, one correct answer, and three or more incorrect. So sa multiple choice is naa ang questions then ang mga choices which is sa choices is na ay isa ka correct answer din na ay tulo or more nga mga distractors. Then second is the true or false test. It generally consists of a statement and deciding if the statement is true or false. So basically in the true or false test, it consists of a statement, then the learners will decide if the statement is incorrect or correct. Then next is the matching type test. So matching type test, it consists of two sets of items to be matched with each other based on a specified attribute. So sa matching type, na ay duha ka column, which is the column A and the column B. And the task of the learners is to match the column A to column B based on their specified attribute. So that is the types of selected response test. And for the constructed response test, Ms. Chariso Stoba will discuss.
So God bless everyone. So I'm the second reporter. So my topic is all about the constructed response test. Constructed response test requires the learners to supply answers to a given question or problem. So ang constructed response test is dapat ang mga estudyante is nag-supply dapat sila og answers sa gihatag nga question. So sa constructed response test na siya tulo ka types. The short answer test, the easy test, and the problem solving test. So a short answer test, it consists of the open-ended questions or incomplete sentence that require learners to create an answer for each item, which is typically single word or phrase. So ang short answer test is mga incomplete nga questions dapat ang learners mo hatag ay mag-create og answer sa item nga gihatag. So ang short answer test na siya 3 types: the completion, identification, and the enumeration. So ang completion, it consists incomplete statements that requires the learners to fill in the blanks with correct word or phrase. So ang completion is katong mga incomplete nga questions nga dapat ang learners mo correct sa sa questions nga gihatag nga dapat gani siya fill in the blanks. Muna siya. Then si identification, it consists of statements that require the learners to identify or recall. So muna siya identification. Ginagamit siya to identify or ma-recall ang mga terms or concepts na ihatag na dili ang people, places, or ang events. So next is the enumeration. Ang enumeration, it requires the learners to list down all possible answers to the question. So ang enumeration is katong mga dapat ang learners i-list down tanan. Mura nga mo siya i-recall nimo. For example is katong katong Bloom's taxonomy, katong yung cognitive. that require learners to compose or construct. So, ang easy test, ano siya? Compose or construct. So, dapat kuan nila kanang mag-consist yung mga problems or mga questions or mag-compose mo o construct the written response. Usually, long ones or several paragraphs. Next naman is the problem-solving test. It consists of problem question that require learners. So, ang problem-solving test, na naman dahil siya, So, dapat ang learners is require learners to solve a problems in quantitative or non-quantitative settings using knowledge and skills in mathematical concepts and procedures and or other higher order cognitive skills. Example, reasoning, analysis, critical thinking, and A skills. So, that's all. Thank you. Oh, di ba? Managad tayo.